Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to GOO Computer Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to develop this kind of triangle pattern program by using numbers. You know that we are experienced about a C++ pattern program where we print stars, as you see like this one. But in this video, we are going to learn how now to develop C++ program to print like this pattern program where an output is numbers and each number represents its corresponding row, right? So without spend much more time, let us get started. Alright, yeah, now I think everything is good. Let us now start. You know that when we are developing pattern programs, we just use nested loop. That's why here we need to create loop for row. Let us int I, which is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, and then here I increment from 1 to 5. When we say a nested loop, we mean loop inside another loop. Now let us create another loop to represent column. Let us int j, which is equal to 1, j less than or equal to 5, and also j increment from 1 to 5. Then after creating another loop to represent column, we need now to create a condition that shows us where to print number or to print space. Let us use if statement. Condition is I plus j must be greater or equal to 6. Then open our if, and then here we'll print just I. As we have seen, each number represents row, and row here is our I. Then print also space like this, then semicolon. After this also we will print just input or space if our condition is not satisfied. That's why here we need also to print space like this one. And then you know that whenever we are ending a line or row, we need to create a new row. That's why here we need also to print new line. This one, like this one. So this is a simple way of how you can develop C++ program to print this kind of triangle pattern program with numbers. So let us make compilation to check for errors. You see there is no error. We can now run our program to check for an output. Right, as you see, this is our expected output. So this is the end of today's lesson. Please kindly make subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues to explore more about C++ programming language in different contents, either in arrays, in operators, patterns, and so on and so forth. So thank you for watching. See you soon.